Donald Marritz, legal aid attorney, MidPenn Legal Services. Don Marritz was nominated for the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award by Sharon Dietrich, Managing Attorney, Community Legal Services, and Kathy Carr, Executive Director, Community Legal Services. In 1974, Don joined Legal Services, Inc. as the first legal aid attorney in Adams County. Except for a 3-year period serving in Dickinson's Community Law Clinic, Don has remained in the Gettysburg Legal Aid Office, now with MidPenn Legal Services. An enthusiastic advocate, he has tackled a broad range of meaningful issues benefiting clients. For example, he was successful in assuring that employees of the largest fruit processor in the state could get unemployment benefits on the same basis as other workers. One of Don's most notable traits is the intellectual curiosity and ardor he applies to issues. He regularly consults colleagues across the state, seeking their opinions about a case or a legal or administrative issue. That's usually followed by a brief or a letter to the state or protracted litigation. With the advent of listservs, Don has set the standard in the legal aid community for pushing the legal possibilities to help clients in a variety of areas. He is always willing to share his research and briefs with colleagues across the state, utilizing the state's brief and information bank and email communication tools. He can be counted upon to respond to any request for help. Don is an active member of statewide law groups and has penned community education brochures, even arranging their translation into Spanish. He is active in bar association activities at the national, state, and county level, holding leadership positions with the Adams County Bar Association. Don is a student of the Pennsylvania Constitution. He contributed to the book, The Pennsylvania Constitution, a treatise on rights and liberties, writing a chapter about open courts and the right to a remedy. He frequently reminds advocates to consider the state constitution as a possible cure for wrongs suffered by clients. To properly honor Don, one must comment on his persistence and chutzpah. Who else would write a letter to the Governor's General Counsel contending that the existence of the State Office of Inspector General is illegal? This salvo led to discussions with state officials aimed to protect clients' privacy and to remove practices that discourage applicants from applying for public benefits. The son of immigrant parents, Don grew up in South Jersey. He likes to say he is a walking joke, since 95% of all jokes are about either lawyers, New Jersey, or a combination of the two. Joking aside, Don has enjoyed success in many important cases. After more than 30 years in the trenches, the boundless joy that he has for his work is truly inspiring. We are pleased to honor Don Marritz with the 2006 Excellence Award.